In today's video, we'll be discussing 5 psychological tricks that can help you make her want you. It's important to remember that building genuine connections and respecting boundaries is crucial in any relationship. These tricks are meant to be used ethically and responsibly. Trick number 1 is all about confidence. Confidence is incredibly attractive, and it can make a huge difference when trying to catch someone's attention. Believe in yourself and your worth. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and project positivity. Remember, confidence is contagious, and it will make her take notice. Our next trick is active listening, a powerful way to make her feel valued and spark attraction. Show genuine interest by asking open-ended questions and listening attentively. It builds a deeper connection, makes her feel valued, and ignites attraction. The law of reciprocity is powerful. Do something nice to make her life easier or more enjoyable. It could be a small gesture like surprising her with her favorite coffee or assisting her with a challenging task. These acts create a positive association and increase her desire to be around you. Humans are naturally drawn to mystery and intrigue. Keep her curious by not revealing everything about yourself at once. Share interesting stories and hobbies gradually, allowing her to discover more about you over time. This builds anticipation, keeps her engaged, and sparks her interest. Last but not least, building an emotional connection is vital. Show vulnerability and authenticity by opening up about your thoughts and feelings. This deepens the bond and allows her to connect with you on a deeper level. Respect her boundaries and give her space to share her own emotions too. While these tricks can pique her interest, never forget to be true to yourself and prioritize open communication. Explore our other videos and click the bell icon to stay up to date with the latest videos.